Oh, hi. Hi, what? W Gao. Hi. Can you hear me? Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm putting the meeting notes here, just in case if you wanna take a look at the meeting notes. I think, I think let's wait maybe 2 more minutes. I think there are some folks, that are coming, but I'm not sure what is happening right now. Okay, guess I think some folks have some issues. Probably let's get started. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so basically these last 2 weeks we merged a couple for PR that is quite interesting. The first one I would say is the CADA support. So for the CADA support, before we only have a very basic CADA. Um, it's just a demo. However, seems in the community there are a lot of people that are trying to use the CADA to do the auto scaling, especially for scaling down to zero for the pod and for their workload for their vLLM instance. We have a follow-up CADA support based on the previous one. So right now we will have a more comprehensive tutorial and the CADA documentation to support auto scaling with the CADA. It's really cool features, and I think a lot of folks are actually using it right now. From my project, we also use the CADA as well to do the auto scaling, which is really cool. Yeah. Do you have any questions for this PR? Um, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so the next one, I would say is also really interesting is that we are officially integrated with Oracle Cloud Kubernetes cluster. We have several other integration right now, including the GKE, Oracle, AWS. We have different one. However, right now for this one, this is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Deployment. It has a previous version, so this one is mostly for the more comprehensive testing, so that we can seamlessly integrate the Kubernetes, the vLLM stack deployment in the Oracle Cloud. Um, yeah, so this is this one, and also I think not some of the other PR are focusing on the integration with the new features from vLLM, like not only like new feat, not sub, well, it's not technically new feature. It's just a lot of like cool, like not non-regular features from vLLM part. The first one is um, the runner and convert config. No, sorry. the image and audio from the vLLM Omni. So because the vLLM Omni supports the image generation, the video generation, audio generation, different kind of stuff. However, in the previous version, we don't have the support, at least in the router, to do the image generation, audio generation. However, after this commit, it's like a few days ago, we officially added support to route to image and audio generation API so that right now people can use the production stack to have the vLLM Omni and vLLM instance at the same time and route to different with audio, transcription, image generation, video generation, all in the production stack router. I think this is a really cool feature, and I'm really glad that the community has contributed to this feature. Really thankful for that. Yeah, besides that, we also to do the runner and convert flag in the vLLM because well some of the task is not for the chat completion. We want to enable like polling and adapt the models for various polling tasks. So this PR mainly just made a modification in the router part and no in the deployment part, the Helm chart part, so that when we include the runner and convert flag, we can actually use it in the vLLM instance when we used it for different tasks here. Yeah, I think, and there are some other PRs that address different problems recently, but most of them is I would say a bug fix, which is really important too. Um, yeah. Um, do you want to talk about it or you have any questions? Yeah, just feel free to speak out. And yeah, I think it's because I don't know why normally we'll have more folks joining us for the community meeting. But yeah, feel free to speak out or you have any questions. I'm here for you. And if not, I think that will probably be this community meeting. Just a quick announcement. Yeah, we will also record this so that the other people can know. Not all of our folks are able to join in at this time, but yeah, we are going to do some more modification of our documentation, our README, and especially our roadmap. We hope that in the coming new year, the 2026, the production stack can support more features to enable the production grade, production ready deployment for all the companies. Um, and yeah, that's the meaning for the production stack. If there's no other questions or issues, then I think,
Uh,
yeah,
oh, really? I'm a new starter on the VMware production stack,
yeah.
and I open one issue that is when I follow the README to do the deployment. Looks like the 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 open root maybe there's a Docker service died with the out of memory,
Uh-huh.
and that looks like maintain the global view metadata. Let me uh, let me let me copy it here.
Which issue is that? Do you mind telling
Yeah,
me what is the
yes,
number?
yes. I'm just looking for that and give me little second. Um,
Oh, by the way, how can I call you?
uh, you can call me Wayne Gao.
Okay, Wayne. Wayne, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm from Solidam and software solution team.
Oh,
We
nice.
are also
That's so cool.
Yeah, your work
Oh
too.
yeah, this one. Yeah, I looked at it and I think it is probably because the router doesn't have sufficient memory right now because the default memory is too small right
Small.
now. However, I made a PR to increase that to I think 1,000 megabytes. Sorry. So this one and this PR, I think it was supposed to fix it. It is pending review, and I will, yeah, after this review, I think it will be totally fine. But meanwhile, it is okay. I think you can also modify the default value by yourself by
Okay.
specifying the router spec in the router spec of the YAML file. I think let me try let me try to get out the tutorials. Oh, sorry.
This this router is pretty similar with the Dynamo. Uh, Dynamo has
Yes,
a licensing. Yeah. I see.
yes, exactly. Yeah, we are actually launched before Dynamo.
I
Um,
see.
and we have a lot of, well, I think the main difference between us and Dynamo is right now we will have more support on the PD disaggregation and the KV cache optimization. And in the future, we will have, because we are using a lot of KV cache optimization from the LM cache. And think in the production stack aspect, we will, well, I will say a lot of our techniques are copied by Dynamo. Well, it's
I
not, oh, yeah,
see.
it's
I
okay.
see.
Yeah, but yeah, I would say it's different choices. Dynamo will have a better um, community support, maybe, but I think most of the optimization we you will find it in the production stack, and we are evolving fast. And yeah, I think that is the main difference.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, coming back to this one, so basically, as you can see, when you deploy this, you just have the model spec. However, the main problem is the router doesn't have enough memory. So in the router, you can also specify the memory and the CPU and the GPU. Well, you don't need to use GPU for router, but yeah, you can specify the memory and the CPU for the router. And just by increasing the memory, I think it should work. But I know it's a little bit frustrating since this is our minimal example. I will fix it as we will fix it as soon as possible for our folks.
Yeah, it is everything works. I bypass that router and it works, but I think I can. But my environment is doing others now, and but I will when the PR is done, I will have a verify.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. I will give you a notice or give you a hint if this PR merged. Do you know how can I find you? Are you in the Slack channel?
Uh, I am in too many Slack channels, but you
Oh,
can reach me on my email.
okay,
And
sure.
also, do you have the WeChat?
I'm sorry, what?
Do you use the WeChat?
I think production stack right now doesn't have a WeChat group. Um, but I think maybe LM Cache has a WeChat group, and you can reach us through that WeChat group as well. I
Okay.
will actually let me send the WeChat group invite. Let me see. Um, QR code. Let me. Okay, I will send this info to your email, and I will give you a heads up if this PR merged.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, hi, another folk. we are about to finish the community meeting. Yeah, just a quick heads up because you just joined, but yeah, basically we have talked about the Kata support, the Oracle Cloud Kubernetes integration, the image and audio API integration with the vLLM Omni, and the run and convert flag. And Keyu, is that Keyu? Do you want to talk about some of your PRs? Because I think you have some PR in the production stack as well. Or that's it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today's community meeting. And thank you guys for joining us. And very glad that we have this community that we can all contribute it and to this production stack project. I'm really glad. Yeah, so this is it. I hope to see you guys in the next community meeting, which is like 2 weeks later. And that's it for today. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.